Hello, I would like to share my first attempts at using techniques inspired by AI and machine learning to compose instrumental music. I have here a machine which generates instrumental music according to a list of 11 parameters scaled between 0 and 1. The first step consisted in saving some presets according to my taste in order to build a small dataset. Then, for classification purposes, I've tried to let machine learning tools classify or cluster those examples for me. For instance, my tweaking of parameters can feed an SOM, a self-organizing map, but so far the most efficient method consists in representing data as discrete points on a 2D map with x and y as parameters which I set myself. Each of these points or presets corresponds to a type of instrumental writing tied together with a harmony. Here the ones on the top are in the high register and the ones on the left have longer duration. Interpolation, which AI is very good at, was a concept of great importance for the spectral composers of the 80s. Therefore, I first tried to generate passages like this one, whose register clearly gradually falls from high to low, and which corresponds here to a gradual change of the tessitura parameter. To do so, I used an object called MLP, Multi-Layered Perceptron, one of the building blocks of AI. This object takes as input the lists of parameters together with the x and y coordinate values. This relates to supervised learning in the sense that in unsupervised learning, the algorithm would have to find x and y itself. This object is then used to interpolate between presets in a similar way as could have been done with Pattern in Maximus P. Finally, if a particular way of interpolating between presets is found of interest, it can be recorded in MUBU, short for multi-buffer, to keep track of the evolution of each parameter separately.